Welcome to ACE Physics. Today we will learn about atmospheric pressure, and in this one we will discuss about a specific topic, that is the 1 atmospheric pressure. So what do you mean by 1 atmospheric pressure? If we will talk in Hindi तो हम इसे एक वायुमंडलीय दाब बोलते हैं. So what is, first of all, what is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure क्या है कि हमें पता है कि अर्थ के चारों तरफ अराउंड द अर्थ देयर इज द एनवेलप ऑफ गैसेस लाइक दैट इज द ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. These all are the gases which are in the form of envelope around the surface of earth. That envelope of these all the gases is called atmospheric pressure. तो मैं डायरेक्टली डेरिवेशन या 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर का वैल्यू बताने से पहले आप लोग को इसका एप्लीकेशन बता देता हूँ. किसी का ब्लड प्रेशर हाई है, इफ़ एनी पर्सन और एनी पेशेंट वी कैन से दैट have high blood pressure or low blood pressure. So what do you mean by high blood pressure and low blood pressure? So in this case we know our heart pump the blood, और ये blood का pumping जो होता है वो हमारे थ्रू आउट बॉडी में होता है. तो ये blood pressure क्यों होता है? Because heart pump our blood. That is the blood pressure. And that blood pressure, if it is equals to atmospheric pressure, means pressure exerted by the gaseous molecules or gases on our body, if they becomes equal then we are normal. And if our blood pressure is greater than that of the atmospheric pressure, then it is high blood pressure. And if our blood pressure is lower than that of the atmospheric pressure, that is the pressure exerted by the gaseous molecule on our body, then it is the low blood pressure. इसका एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल है कि या 2 एग्जांपल्स हम लोग दे सकते हैं. लाइक अगर हम किसी फिश को पॉन्ड में से बाहर निकालते हैं तो आफ्टर सम टाइम दे डाई. वाई दे डाई? बिकॉज दे एग्जिस्ट इनसाइड द वाटर. तो वाटर के अंदर वाटर का प्रेशर होता है एज वेल एज एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, दैट इज द गैसियस प्रेशर होता है. तो टोटल प्रेशर इनसाइड द वाटर इज मोर. सो उनका बॉडी ऐसा एडॉप्ट होता है कि दे कैन बेयर मोर प्रेशर. जब हम उनको पानी में से निकालते हैं तो उनके बॉडी का जो बेयरेबल कैपेसिटी है प्रेशर का वो कम हो जाता है. तो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कम है बट उनके बॉडी का ब्लड प्रेशर ज़्यादा है. बिकॉज इन साइड द वाटर प्रेशर इज मोर, उनका बॉडी उसके हिसाब से एडाप्टेड होता है. सो इन दैट केस उनके बॉडी का ब्लड प्रेशर ज़्यादा है जब हम उनको बाहर निकालते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. सो उसके वजह से उनकी डेथ हो जाती है, द फिशेस डाई. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल. अनदर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक, जब हम कहीं पहाड़ पे माउंटेन पे जाते हैं, बाय दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपन्स, वी कैन ऑब्जर्व जिन लोगों को, बट इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी फॉर द स्पेसिफिक पीपल और स्पेसिफिक पर्सनस. जब वो किसी माउंटेन पे जाते हैं तो उनके नाक से ब्लीडिंग होने लगती है, दे ब्लीड फ्रॉम देयर नोज. तो व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न? बिकॉज ब्लड प्रेशर तो है दैट इज इक्वल्स टू एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, बट एज वी गो टू द हाइट एट अ सर्टेन हाइट ऑन द माउंटेन, सो at mountain as we raise the height, so atmospheric pressure decreases. So atmospheric pressure is less, and atmospheric pressure is less at that height and our blood pressure is more. So in that case blood जो है वो नाक से बाहर आने लगता है due to this pressure difference between blood pressure and atmospheric pressure. So this is the application. Now directly we will come to the point, what is 1 atmospheric pressure? In barometer, when mercury rises to 76 centimeter in height, then the pressure is said to be 1 atmospheric pressure. That we can understood by this example. Suppose this is actually what is barometer. First of all, this is the diagram for the barometer. In this diagram, what we are observing, this is trough, this is the trough. Trough is kind of container. In that one we have placed a mercury here, and inverted tube we are taking, and this whole the thing forms barometer. This height is 1 meter. So it is called the barometer. Baro plus meter. Meter why? Because this height is 1 meter. So it is the barometer. Now what I said about 1 atmospheric pressure in barometer, when mercury rises to 76 centimeter in height, then the pressure is said to be 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, so definition part I have written. So this height is 76 centimeter for 1 atmospheric pressure. In 1 atmospheric pressure in barometer, when mercury rises to 76 centimeter in height in tube, in barometer tube, then pressure is said to be 1 atmospheric. So this already I have mentioned, this height for 1 atmospheric, this height must be 76 centimeter or 0.76 meter. So this diagram is for that one only. This is mercury, this is trough, and air pressure is there. So due to that, this mercury rises to 76 centimeter. When mercury rises to 76 centimeter in barometer, so here we are taking height of mercury rise is 0.76 meter. Rho is the density of mercury and it is 13,600 kilogram per meter cube, and we know acceleration due to gravity at surface of earth is 9.8 meter per second square. But we know since pressure, this is the formula for the pressure, is H rho g. H is the height, rho is the density, and g is the acceleration due to gravity, and everything I have mentioned over here. For 1 atmospheric pressure, height is 0.76 meter, density of mercury is 13,600 kilogram per meter cube, and the value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 at the surface of earth. So this value will be pressure, atmospheric pressure will be H is 0.76 into 13,600 into 9.8. So as we'll multiply all the term, we will get approximate value as 1.013 into 10 raised to 5, and unit of pressure is Pascal. So what is 1 atmospheric pressure? The value of 1 atmospheric pressure is 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. So this is 1 atmospheric pressure. Now further a few terms are here. Already again I have written the definition. Now few terms are there. What is 1 torr? This is a 1 torr. What is 1 torr? 1 torr is the pressure. It is again the unit of the pressure, torr. When mercury rises to 1 mm, then whatever is the pressure, that is said to be 1 torr. 1 mm जब rise होता है तो 1 torr होता है. तो 76 सेंटीमीटर में कितने mm होंगे? How many millimeters will be in 76 centimeters? So it will be 760, because 1 centimeter is 10 mm. So we can say 1 atmospheric pressure will be 760 torr. So what is 1 torr? When mercury rises by 1 mm in barometer, then the pressure is said to be 1 torr. So this is the term. Why 1 atmospheric pressure is 760 torr? As I have mentioned, for atmospheric pressure we know when mercury rises to 0.76, height is 0.76 meter. which is 76 centimeter, which can be written as 760 mm. So 1 mm is 1 torr, so 1 atmospheric pressure will be 760 torr. So this is what we have studied about the atmospheric pressure. I hope ये वीडियो आपको समझ में आया एंड 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर का कंसेप्ट अच्छे से समझ में आया आप लोगों को. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड प्लीज़ लाइक माई वीडियोज़ एंड subscribe my channel, share the videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.